flying?
Yes, they fly long distances.
Try to take the pictures when they are flying. This place, because there are more than 100 lakes in this island and no more than 400 flamingos, so they have many options.
Yeah.
Hold on, everybody.
Those nasty underwater jets, they're always gone before we can look at them. That would be different.
So the people is going to the board.
Three types of pork.
No, the first seals they eat penguins, but the Galapagos sea lions no. First seals. Yeah. They are other ones.
Okay, Tess, it's going to jump in the water. You watching?
Can I take a video?
I think you can take a video, yeah.
This guy right here.
Got it? You started?
Star rated heron. Is that heron?
Okay. Can you see they jump, they walk? Look at how funny they walk too. Okay.
Look at them, they're so adorable.
They really take pictures very well.
They're so cute.
Let's get a video.
That's okay. Videos.
Perfectly still. Okay, got it? There's a little pond. Oh, okay, okay, good job.
Look at the color of their eyes.
The blue.
They are blue. Turtles.
How about so many kisses? Do not poop. Do not kiss. Ah. Oh, they're pooping. Look at them poop just floating in here. Oh, it's feathers.
Look at their feet.
Not poop. Do not poop. Like that. Do not poop.
What promise?